It's a 2015 Maserati Ghibli. Italian performance, Italian style, and luxury that knows no bounds. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, twin-turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power-heated mirrors. A long and glorious heritage can only be that by never living in the past. Maserati continues to push tradition forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
We have an impressive selection of new and used Nissan cars, trucks, and SUVs. Stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1016 Belmont Street in Brockton, Massachusetts.